We're going to be making a pork roast dinner with mashed potatoes and asparagus. You'll need a 3 or 4 pound pork loin roast, 1 onion, 2 stalks of celery. We'll be cooking our roast in a Dutch oven. We'll be using pepper and seasoning salt on the roast. We'll be using flour and water to make the gravy. Add a little oil to your Dutch oven. Brown on all sides. Salt and pepper to taste. Browning roast in Dutch oven prior to going into the oven at 350 degrees. Salt and pepper to taste. Adding 1/4 cup of wine. 1/4 cup of water. Use toothpicks to anchor the onion and celeries to the top of the browned roast. Cook roast in covered Dutch oven at 350 degrees until internal temperature reaches 175 degrees, about 2 hours. For a more tender roast, cook at least a half an hour longer. Pork loin roast, cooked for 2 hours. Thickening gravy with flour and water and the juices from the pork roast. Bring washed, peeled, cut potatoes to a boil. Cover and simmer for about 20 minutes. Mix by hand or with a mixer with milk till whipped. Then serve. Add salt and pepper to taste. Roast pork dinner with mashed potatoes and gravy and asparagus.